2007 57 reg Ford Mondeo, 2-litre diesel, automatic, titanium X. And it's got a few extras on the extras, which is quite nice. This is a category N non-structural, straight from the insurance company, and the damage is just here. We've got a broken grille, the bonnet survived, and we've got a dent in the bumper there. We've got a broken trim around the side there, which is easy and cheap to replace. And it's probably a different accident or parking dent, which has got this scuff here. But when you're painting the front bumper, you need to paint and blend the sides of the wings anyway to match it, so that'll be done. Apart from that, it's lovely and straight down that side. Decent alloy wheels. Front park again, which is nice. Down this side is lovely. Top obviously as well. The side, it's got a handful of extras. In fact, it'll take me half an hour to list them, so you can just guess it. It does have push button start, which is lovely. Inside is not kid mauled. It's like pretty much on satin in the back. And around the back, it's got a couple of marks. Pretty good around the top. And most of the bottom, but we've gone around this side. Where the toe-eye hook is, someone's bumped it there and just made it a little bit gnarly, but that'll be fixed and just, well, smart repaired really and sorted out. See it around there, it's all good. These typically go for around £3.5 grand. It's only category N non-structural, easy peasy fix. Be back on the road, I would have thought, for just under 3. Good saving.